Hi, my name is Danny and I'm from Tampa, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you how to use and maintain a rotary grinder. Now I'll be showing you how to actually use the rotary grinder. You want to make sure the switch is off, it's plugged up. You want to make sure the wheel or the cutting wheel is on for the right application you're going to be cutting. So I have the metal cutting wheel on here, and I'll be cutting a piece of stainless steel. You want to make sure your safety glasses are on, and I'll be using my ear protection. And you want to make sure when you're cutting the sparks are blowing down. And you see I put it upside down so it doesn't kick or hit anything on the table. And you just want to put this to the side and make sure it's shut off. And that's how you use the rotary grinder.